Finally, Windows 11 is here. Today's world, most of internet users using Windows for many years. New Windows 11 updates brings a fresh design, visual changes throughout the interface and widgets for more glanceable news, weather reports and other handy information. If you are using PC or laptop and using lots of drag and drop options with the latest Windows 11 updates, you can drag and drop files throughout the taskbar. Microsoft has removed this feature and hopefully this issue will be fixed in next Windows 11 updates. Of course, Windows 11 is definitely better than Windows 10 with so many new and best useful features added in there. But some of the best feature has been removed by Microsoft. One of the best drag and drop option in the taskbar is not working in Windows 11. Why Microsoft has removed this feature? Microsoft forgot about this best option? Who knows? That's only Microsoft knows. But don't worry. Today in this video I will show you how to enable drag and drop option throughout the taskbar in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first for all my future video as soon as I upload a new video. I will go through step by step in detail that how we can solve this issue. So please watch the video to the end to get best result and you can work throughout the taskbar in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R in your keyboard or right click on the window logo, click Run. Type in the box reg edit. Then click OK. Now click on hotkey local machine here. Click on software. Then look at Microsoft here. Then look for Windows. After click on Windows, click on current version. Then click on cell right here. Then click update. Then click on package. Right click and select debug 32-bit value, rename undocking disabled. Then click on and double click value 0 to 1. Then click OK. Then close the window. Now you can start your PC or laptop and check the drag and drop option in the taskbar working or not. It's supposed to work, but some PC or laptop it may not work because it will depend on your PC or laptop's firewall and security setting. If this trick does not work, then you can try with another alternative method, same minimize folder option to drag and drop file in Windows 11. First, minimize the folder, then drag the file. Another way, just open the folder, then hover over and select to open two windows, one for software and one for folder. folder that has image or another file that you want to use or drag. Now you can drag file here very easily as usual. Hopefully this issue will be fixed in the next update of Windows 11. Please keep an eye on for my future video for next update of Microsoft Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.